I think Bab Al Qasr is already a known name out here in China with a lot of tour operators. I mean, the product is old, but the innovation.
First of all, thank you for your time. May I ask you who you are and who are you representing in ITB China?
So my name is Greg D'Souza. I represent the Bab Al Qasr Hotel and Residences based out of Abu Dhabi, and glad to be at ITB China.
All right, so first question will be, how are you feeling about participating in ITB China 2026?
It's a fantastic event. I mean, this is the first time we are participating, and the feedback, the people, the warmth, the friendliness, the organization, everything has been fantastic so far.
All right, second question will be, how important is the China travel market for your business?
Well, China is always an important market for, I'm not going to say, I'm just going to talk about myself. It's a very important market. You see the Chinese travelers have doubled and tripled the growth, quadrupled their growth as well. I've been in the UAE for the longest time now, and the one thing which is constant is the growth of Chinese travelers into the country. And yeah, so it is important. I mean, at this point of time, yes, the travel is slow, but rest assured, I mean, it's one of the quickest markets that's going to bounce back. Yeah. So we're confident of that.
So what kind of travelers are you mainly targeting?
Well, at this point of time, anyone who's willing to come into Abu Dhabi, UAE basically, that could be leisure, it could be FIT, it could be even corporate travelers. So as long as they're willing to travel, we're there for them.
All right. So what do you think makes your destination unique?
I think it's the people. I think it's the support from DCT. They're very supportive. I think it's the hunger for people actually coming in, and with all the things that happen in Abu Dhabi right now, all the growth that's happening, it's one of the places to be. So yeah.
All right, and last question will be, are you introducing any new products or services this year?
Well, I think Bab Al Qasr is already a known name out here in China with a lot of tour operators. Our presence out here is something new that we're introducing. So yeah, I mean, the product is old, but the innovation, the way we do business, and of course, a couple of things in our F&B, the renovation of our rooms, yeah, that's something new that we are introducing or reintroducing into the Chinese market.
All right, that will be all. Thank you for your time and wishing the best.
Thank you, Luis.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.